I'm getting the plastics all mixed up. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about, what was it, like 5 minutes for 2 cups? 2 cups of plastisol in this. Now it's just a waiting process. I need to check the temperature though, just in case. It says 370. Okay, 40 drops of watermelon for 2 cups. Okay, 1. Did you see that mixed together? That was so cool. Big scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1/4 cup of salt. Let that spread it out everywhere and put that back in the microwave. I'm gonna pop this back in the microwave for about a minute and a half. It needs to be heated up, got a little thick when I added that salt to it. Yeah, that should be hot enough. It's just about there. Yeah, that should be hot enough. All right, put this in the bottom. All right, this is the reveal. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. This is watermelon purple for you right there. That is beautiful. All right, now we can open up our Cinco's, which we do not have problems with. All right. These look perfect to me. All right, let's go use these down at the pond. Way down at the pond. We only got like 30 minutes to fish. All right. I'm gonna fish the fluke first. I got them. Yeah, hopefully they're biting. They're already. It seems like they're going. Holy crap, this thing's heavy. Usually at this time of day in the pond, the fish are jumping on top water, like that one out there. But this cold front that came through last night just messed them up. I'm gonna go down this pond and fish this little grass line right here. Fish this side. Hopefully the sun's not down by the time I get to fish all of it, because I'm gonna go fish over there too. All right. Oh my God. I set the hook like a dummy. Did you see him jump? Oh. Dude. I'm already seeing some movement right here. There was a ton of wind over here yesterday. That's not being added. Because it's like, yeah, I caught one like this. we should have waited for tomorrow because the fluke's not sinking all the way at all.
Hurry up. Yeah, you did.
Oh, that hurt.
That. Show that one.
It was like in there.
Okay, don't put it back.
Just caught this like demolished this. Look how chunky that fish is. That is at least 3 pounds, right? I caught it on a watermelon purple fluke. I got this beautiful fish. Got lucky with this one, I guess. Cold front came through.
He's lying. I caught that fish.
Dude, you're lying.
I'll show you on the GoPro right before it died. Okay. Your chance is up.
Nope. Yup, told you. What did I say? That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Don't. What did I say? Good fish. Oh, it's a good fish. Good fat fish, healthy. Got him. Stay on.
Oh,
dang it! Son.
On that go hard fluke.
Dude, that fish was running. Yep. Got him. Stay down. Get the net. Good fish. Get the net. What are you doing? Yes, it is. Get the net. Oh my. No, it's fine. Better than the one you have.
Yeah.
That's one. First fish of the day on watermelon purple fluke. Go hard. Let me get up on the front of the boat. Don't know how to fish. I didn't even feel him hit it. It's fluke o'clock. How about this cut us off? Yep, there's one. Yep. Got him. Stay down. Good fish. Get the net. What are you doing? Good fish. Stay down. Oh my God! I told you to get the net. That was a good fish. There's one. Are you serious? I had one. I'm gonna catch another one. That was a good. I just set the hook on that one, and that one felt heavy as crap in my. I should let him eat it longer. Okay, that's the third fish I've missed today. Why am I missing them? Yep. Get the net, dude. Shut
up and slowly fish. Slowly fight him. If he turns.
Get the net. Get the net on him. Let's go, Dad. Oh, I caught him.
This fish chasing. Nice.
Oh my God.
Oh,
dude. I caught him on a go hard fluke, dude. Oh my God. Dude, we watched him swim up right there. Dude, that was awesome. I caught him on a watermelon purple go hard fluke. Dude, this thing, he choked it. Like, I watched him come up above the water. He went, oh my God, that was amazing. Got him! Dad, oh my God! Dude, what is happening?
They're hungry.
Got him! No, he missed it again! Dude, what is happening? Oh, I need to get like up there, but it's a tree. There's a fish. Got him. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. That's a fast fish.
No.
It's not a net. It's not a net fish.
Don't lose it. It's a good fish though. There's a little tree in there.
Let's go. He choked it. Dude, these are some good fish. Oh, I knew he was right there.
You get like crap out of it.
Look, he choked it. He's swimming at you. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, man.
There you go. They eating, and they eating good. Look at that. Go hard fluke, watermelon purple. Look at here. Yet again, the go hard fluke does its thing.